Good morning, children. So, today we are here to discuss chapter number 90, Interesting Facts 1, Factivity Pages, Unit 13 in your GK book. So, here are some interesting facts in the form of questions and answers. Read them carefully to enhance your knowledge. So, the questions are given and answers are there in the facts given below of each question. So, let's start with question number 1. What is field of the cloth of gold? What is it? What is this term? Field of the cloth of gold refers to a historical event in which Henry VIII of England and Francis I of France had a meeting near Calais, France. They discussed the formation of a military alliance but could not reach any conclusion. The name Field of the Cloth of Gold refers to the lavish tents erected by the French for the meeting and the ostentatious, what is ostentatious? Noticeable display of wealth made by both kings. So, what is field of the cloth of gold? Field of the cloth of gold refers to a historical event. Okay, it refers to a lavish tent erected by French for the meeting. Okay, now come to meeting. Sorry, the answer is field of the cloth of gold refers to the lavish tents erected by the French for the meeting and the ostentatious display of wealth made by King, which king? King Henry VIII and King Francis I. Okay. Now come to question number 2. Who invented the aqueduct? So, what is an aqueduct, children? Aqueduct is a bridge, okay, that carries water. Understood? Aqueduct किसको बोलते हैं? I'll just do you know what is the meaning of aqueduct? So, aqueduct is a bridge that is designed to carry water. Okay, so let's read the fact. What is it given? Aqueduct is a stone or brick channel with elevated section designed to move water from one place to another. So, you can also write in simple language that aqueduct is a bridge that is designed to carry water from one place to another. Okay. The aqueduct is a Roman invention and 11 major aqueducts were in use in Rome alone. However, the longest aqueduct was in Carthage, stretching for 141 km. One of the best preserved aqueducts is the Pont du Gard in Provence, France. So, who invented the aqueduct, children? So, who invented? Yeah. So, please write the answer of this question. Okay. Now, let's come to question number 3. What is graphology? Okay, so what is graphology? Graphology is the study of handwriting and is sometimes used to analyze personality. Graphologists believe that handwriting is a form of brain writing through which a person's character is revealed on paper. राइटिंग से किसी के पर्सन की पर्सनालिटी के बारे में हम जान सकते हैं. ग्राफोलॉजिस्ट स्टडी हैंड राइटिंग यूजिंग पैरामीटर्स लाइक साइज, विथ, स्पेस एट्सेट्रा. किसी की राइटिंग के साइज, विथ और स्पेस को उसके बारे में उसको ऑब्जर्व कर वी कैन नो अबाउट द पर्सन's पर्सनालिटी. सो व्हाट इज ग्राफोलॉजी, चिल्ड्रन? Graphology is the study of handwriting and it's just a study of handwriting which is used to analyze person's personality. Okay, what is fourth estate? Fourth estate, it is a term referring to journalist or to journalism in general. In France, before the French Revolution, The three estates of the realm were citizens with the political rights, the church, the nobility, and the people, okay, as represented in the British Parliament by the Lords Spiritual, the Lords Temporal, and the Commons. The reference to a fourth estate was supposedly first made by writer and politician Edmund Burke in the late 18th century as a joking comment on the power of the press. So, what is fourth state? Fourth state is a term referring to journalist or to journalism in general. Okay. Now, come to question number 5, the last question. What is Columbus Day? So, Christopher Columbus was a great explorer we all know. He is credited with being the first European who reached America in modern times. The Viking Leif Erikson was there before him. Columbus sighted the land on October 12. Columbus Day is a national holiday celebrated on the second Monday in the month of October in many South American countries as well as in the United States of America. So, what is Columbus Day? Columbus Day is a national holiday celebrated on the second Monday in the month of October in many South American in many South American countries as well as in the United States of America. Clear? So, I hope the answers of these questions are clear to you. Who invented, question number 2, who invented the aqueduct? So, children, who invented aqueduct? The aqueduct is a Roman invention and 11 major aqueducts were in use in Rome alone. However, the longest aqueduct was in Carthage, this one of the best preserved aqueduct. So, basically who invented the aqueduct? The Roman people. Okay, since it's a Roman invention, so who invented? The Romans invented the aqueduct. Okay, so this is the answer of question number 2. You can just go through the facts and write the answers on your own also. So this was all about chapter number 90. So learn it in a write the answers properly in good handwriting in a neat way and learn the answers. Okay, till then, children, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children.